Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Public Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading Nobody Likes a Goblin by Ben Hatke, published by First Second, an imprint of Roaring Brook Press, a division of Holtzbrink Publishing Holding Limited Partnership. Copyright 2016 by Ben Hatke. Deep in a dungeon, the bats were sleeping soundly. And Goblin woke to a new day. He lit the torches. He fed the rats. He gnawed on an old boot for breakfast, and he thought about the day ahead. I think I'll go see Skeleton, said Goblin. Skeleton lived in the treasure room, and he was Goblin's very best friend. They counted bats, they played roll the dice, and Skeleton told Goblin stories from the days when he was a mighty warrior. He even let Goblin try on his old crown. Look at me, said Goblin. I'm the Goblin King. But then came the sound of boots on stone. Adventurers were storming the dungeon. They scared the rats. They knocked over the torches. They plundered the pantry. Goblin hid under his bed until they went away. The adventurers